Alright, I'm going to move the cutter to the right, some random amount. Let's go out, I don't know, I'm just going to stop right there. 40.875 millimeters. Okay. Now I'm going to move the cutter away. I'm just going to stop right there. There we go. 18.61 millimeters. I'm going to make a hole right there. Then we're going to do a rotation, 30 degrees. And the question is going to be, where's the hole after we make a rotation? It's going to move in an arcing motion. 30 degrees. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 degrees. So, where is the hole now? Okay, now I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to give you a different set of coordinates. There are 4 coordinates for every point. I'll move this back where it was. Okay, I rotated the rotary table back to 0 degrees, and those are the XY coordinates for that hole that I drilled. Let's do the same thing again. And this time we're going to be thinking about these coordinates. What this means is R is radius, or distance from the center of the XY. 0x, 0y. Straight line to the hole we drilled. That's the distance. 44.912 millimeters. And theta is, that's how far around the circle that hole is. So theta is this right here. That's how far around the circle that is. 24.479 degrees. Should put degrees on that. Let me fix that. Okay, this should have degrees. Okay. Now let me do a 30-degree rotation. Again. Let me just make sure it is back at 0. Yeah. Okay. Here goes another 30-degree rotation. Okay. Make sure I didn't lose count. Okay, that's correct. 30 degrees. Okay. Now, you already know where that hole is now, because if that hole was already 24.479 degrees around the circle, and we rotated, that was when the rotary table was set to 0 degrees. But now we rotated 30 degrees. So now that if you read the rotary table's dials, it says that it's set to 30 degrees now. So we already know where that hole is now, because the distance from the center doesn't change. And how far around the circle is it? Well, it's 24.479 plus a 30 degree rotation. Okay, there's the x-axis. Okay, here's our 30 degree rotation right here. Okay, so that's 30 degrees, but it was already 24.479 degrees around before we rotated. So you just add those two together, and that's where it is now. Okay, so these are the coordinates that you want before you do any rotation.